Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So, in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the Sable Secure credit card. Now, this credit card to me is best for those people that don't have any credit at all, or say if you have very, very bad credit and you want something to start reporting to the credit bureaus. This is a good card for you because when I did this video before. So, I did the video previously, and when I did the video, I think I applied for the debit card and the credit card. Now, this is the thing. I applied for them, but I did not put any money down. I did not do like put any money towards the account. I haven't done anything. They sent me both cards. So they sent me both cards, and it's on my credit report still to this day. Yes, so it started reporting, and I have looked at somebody else's credit report recently. I don't know. I don't even know who it was. I just seen it on there, and I'm like, oh, okay, cool. They actually put some money on it. I see that they put some money on it, and it's actually helping them build their credit. So for those people that can't get a credit card, maybe you're having a hard time getting a secure credit card, or you don't even have money to get a secure credit card, get this one right here because they don't charge an annual fee. They're reporting to the credit bureaus before you put money down on it. Like, who does that? And this can really help you start building your credit. So let's look deeper into this credit card. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know down below. And make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe. Now, here is the website for the Sable credit card. So, like I said, too, they started reporting to the credit bureau before I even got the credit card. That is amazing. But it's a MasterCard. So they're going to report to the credit bureaus, which should help you build your credit score. So they're build credit faster because they have the enhanced data reporting to the major credit bureaus. It's enhanced, all right, y'all. It is enhanced, okay? Because like I said, I have not put any money down. They have unlimited cash back, 2% as on select brands, premium benefits, and more. So definitely check that out. $0 annual fee, no monthly or annual fee, and also too they have low APR of whatever prime is plus 6.99%, so no hidden fees. That's probably another reason why I liked it, because you guys don't have any annual fees. I think I tried to call them before and I had a very hard time calling them though. Now I'm thinking about it while I'm making this video, so keep that in mind too. I had a very hard time calling them, but they don't do any credit checks, so you're not going to have any impact to your credit score at all. You're going to be able to apply and get access to your credit in 5 minutes. So that's something else that I really like. So how it's going to work. So first, you're supposed to set your limit. So you got to add funds to your bank account and set your limit. Whatever you put into your account, that's going to be your limit. Okay. I did not do that process, but they still reported to the credit bureau. Like, it's really blowing my mind that they did that. So you're going to spend money on your card anywhere that MasterCard is accepted, and then you're going to earn rewards as you spend. Now, this is the part how you're going to start building your credit. So you're going to watch your credit grow faster than anywhere else. So you're going to get updates and personalized AI credit coach. Now, building credit is this. I know they're going to set a limit for you guys, but whatever your limit is, you don't want to spend too much money on your credit card, because if you start spending too much on your credit card, they're going to report that to the credit bureaus. And if the credit bureaus start seeing you spend too much money on a credit card, you're going to look desperate, and that's going to lower your credit score. So keep that in mind when it comes down to actually spending money on this credit card. Now, 35% of our credit reports is made up our payment history. So continue to pay on your account on time. Your utilization, that's 30%. That is a big, big factor. We shouldn't have late payments on our credit reports in general. Pay your bills, you guys. 30% is a utilization. That's the thing that's going to move a lot. It's going to fluctuate because you guys can use a lot on your credit cards and then pay it off, and then the next month your credit score can go back up once you pay off your credit card. So your credit score can go up and down depending on your utilization. Your account age, that's something that's going to take a slow build. It's letting your accounts get old. And then 20% they have for other. Now, this is an example that they put on here, depending on if you have a 700 credit score or somebody that have a 620 credit score, the difference that they're going to be paying on a mortgage over the lifetime of the mortgage. So you know, you can see that it is definitely a different amount that you're going to pay whenever you get like a car loan, mortgage, or anything. If you pay more money towards the principal, like an additional payment, you're going to see that your credit score is going to be higher because you're paying down your debt faster. And then you're going to see that you're not paying as much interest anyway. But you do want to have the best credit score that you can have. So I always tell people, look into my 60 points in 60 days. Why I teach you how to increase your credit score in 60 points in 60 days. Click that link down below. I'll show you 5 ways to do it. And I even hold your hand through the process if you need help. Now, let's get into the best part I like. I like to know about cash back. You guys are going to earn 2% cash back at Amazon. I have my Netflix. I canceled it for a while because I was like, I don't even pay for Netflix anymore. But I added the Netflix back on there. Uber Eats, Whole Foods, Hulu. So I really, really like that, you guys. So you guys are going to get the 2% back there, and then you're going to earn 1% back on all your other purchases. So think of this as like the Discover credit card. The thing I liked about that Discover credit card is you guys are the secure credit card with them. You guys can pre-qualify for that credit card. You have to put a deposit down on it, but it's going to graduate to an unsecured credit card. You're going to get 1% cash back everywhere, and plus you're going to get 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants. So I really really like that. Now, I did not know they had a referral cash back. I gotta look into that, you guys. I might put some money on my account. 2 extra points. You get dollar for dollar match on all cash back at the end of your first year. Wow, that is really amazing. So that's up there with Discover. Discover do that cashback match. Now, since it is MasterCard, you guys are going to get the cell phone protection, the rental car insurance, zero fraud liability, price protection, um, also purchase assurance, and so much more. So definitely check out the other different things that they do offer. But definitely check out this credit card. Definitely check it out. And here's a comparison of like the other cards out there. So this is the Sable, this is Discover. That's the secure one. The Capital One. Capital One got 2 secure now. They got the Platinum and they got the Quicksilver. So their Quicksilver actually does have the cashback rewards. Bank of America, Citibank, and Chime. I don't like Chime because I don't like how they report. I don't like how they report to the credit bureaus. I haven't seen people that had a Chime account, and I have not seen like a great increase from people having that Chime account. But I have some frequently asked questions down here. So, what is a secure credit card? How do I add security deposit to my secure credit card? My secure credit card? How do I pay my secure credit card balance? What is the due date in the billing cycle? So definitely check it out. They have even more questions that you can check out. But I need to look into it because I like that they have that reward for referrals. I love referral rewards. So I seen that. I'm like, that is amazing. If you guys are having a hard time getting approved for credit cards, make sure you guys, like I said, check out my 60 points in 60 days. Use that link down below. I teach you guys how to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. It's really, really amazing. A lot of people can increase their credit score even more than 60 points in 60 days, depending on how low your credit score is. So definitely check it out. And I have a meetup. I already started the meetup though, you guys. So you got until Friday the no, I don't know my math, y'all. 7/13. Friday the 13th. Oh my gosh. You got to Friday the 13th, 2023 to sign up for the group that I have now, because you're just probably watching it as I'm doing the video. But if you watching this video late, check to see what my next meetup is. I plan on doing them every 2 months. See what my next meetup is so you can get into my next meetup. And I can actually hold your hand through the process. Look at your credit reports 4 times. So about every 15 days, every 2 weeks, I'm going to look at your credit report and say, hey, this is what we have to do now. Let's get us some more points. And I'm going to help you through that process. But definitely check it out. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. I'm definitely here for you guys. But call us 833 Rickita. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.